welcomes you all. We are going to learn about some basic functions and how to find their domain and range, and how to draw the graph of the function. The first function is f of x, which is equal to x. It is a linear function, or it is a polynomial of degree 1. Let y, which is equal to x. We already know that for any polynomial the domain is entire real line. Therefore, domain for the given function is minus infinite to plus infinite. For this function f of x, which is equal to x, the input and output are same. Therefore, range for this function is also the entire real line minus infinite to plus infinite. Y, which is equal to x, it is a straight line. Therefore, to draw the straight line we need minimum 2 points. To find that, we have choose the value of x as 0 and 1. Since x and y are equal, therefore the values of y is also 0 and y. Therefore, the points on the straight lines are 0, 0 and 1, 1. The 2 points 0, 0 is plotted here, and also 1, 1 is plotted here. Then joining these 2 points by a straight line, we have the graph of given function f of x, which is equal to x. We have to note that the straight line y, which is equal to x, which makes the angle 45 degree with the x axis and also y axis. Next, we have to move another one function f of x, which is equal to x plus 3. It is also a linear function. Therefore, the domain is minus infinite to plus infinite. When the values of x become very large, the f of x also become very large. Therefore, likewise, the values of x become very small, the function values also become very small. Therefore, the range is given by minus infinite to plus infinite. This is also a straight line. We need minimum 2 points to draw the graph of this function. Let us choose for x which is equal to 0 and x which is equal to 1. We have to find the function value y 3, 4. Then plotting these points, 0, 3 is plotted here and 1, 4 is plotted here. Then by joining these 2 points by a straight line, we have the graph of the given function x plus 3. Now we have to compare the two graphs, f of x, which is equal to x, and another one f of x, which is equal to x plus 3. F of x, which is equal to x, is a straight line which passes through 0, 0 and makes 45 degree with the x axis. Similarly, the graph of x plus 3 is also make 45 degree with the x axis and 45 degree with the y axis, but the place of line is shifted here. That is the difference between these two curves. Next, we move to another function f of x, which is equal to minus x. It is also a linear function. Therefore, domain is entire real line given by minus infinite to plus infinite. Since it is a polynomial of degree 1, therefore the range is also the entire real line minus infinite to plus infinite. F of x, which is equal to minus x, is a straight line. Therefore, we need minimum 2 points to draw the graph of the function. Therefore we have choose 0 and 1 as values of x. Then we find the values of function 0 and -1. We have to plot these points 0, 0 here and 1, -1 here. Then joining these 2 points by a straight line, we have the graph of the function f of x, which is equal to -x. Next we move to another function f of x, which is equal to -x minus 2. It is also a linear function, therefore the domain is given by -infinite to +infinite. It is a polynomial of degree 1, which is odd number, therefore range is also a entire real line -infinite to +infinite. It is a straight line, therefore we need minimum 2 points to draw the graph. Therefore the values for x are chosen as 0, 1, and we have to find the corresponding function values as -2, -3. Then these points 0, -2 is plotted here and 1, -3 is plotted here. These 2 points are connected by straight line. This is the graph of given function f of x, which is equal to -x minus 2. Okay, thank you.